Anil Sehgal joins us on this leg of the show to answer the insurance questions you sent in during the week. Anil, it's a pleasure to have you on Investors Guide as always. Our first question comes in from Chandra, who writes in from Hyderabad. He's 33 years old and he bought a policy 2 years ago with a sum assured of 90,000 rupees. He says it can give him an enhanced sum assured of 99 lakh rupees. Now the premium costs him 22,000 rupees a year. He wants to know if this is really the best plan for him or if there's a better plan out there, Anil, that he can use to protect his family.
Chandra, I think I would suggest to you that you go and look at your policy documents carefully. Specifically look at the policy schedule in terms of what are the benefits that are given to you under this plan, and specifically also look at the illustration. The reason I think you should look at this is because I think there is a disconnect between what the plan actually offers and what you are saying are the benefits offered to you. So for instance, just as a way of explanation, the Birla Sun Life plan at a premium of around 22,000 rupees per annum would offer you 10 times the premium or half of what your term is multiplied by your annual premium as a base sum assured. So at 22,000 rupees of sum assured, you would typically have roughly around 2,20,000 of cover at the barest minimum, or up to 4.5 lakhs, depending on what your term is, not the 90,000 that you have mentioned. Secondly, the enhanced sum assured offered under the Birla Sun Life plan cannot exceed the base plan cover. So if your base plan cover is say 4 lakhs or 9 lakhs, then your enhanced cover cannot exceed that. So it will be at the most equal to that. Whereas what you have mentioned is nearly around 110 times the base cover. So I think there is a disconnect, and you need to very carefully read the policy terms and conditions to make sure that you understand fully what are the benefits being offered to you.
Nishant has also written in. He's 34 years old and he wants to buy a term plan. Now he tells us the HDFC iClick plan is offering him a cover of 1 crore rupees for 30 years at 14,000. And ICICI Prudential's iCare is giving him the same cover for 12,500. Now he wants to know which of the two policies is better, and is there a reason why they're so different from each other in terms of pricing? Anil.
Nishant, the first thing to do is to calculate what is your eligibility. So typically a life insurance cover, term insurance would be available at about 20 times your annual income. And you should look at having a base cover which is about 15 to 20 times your annual income, so that it can cover your requirements in terms of protection needs for your family. So if your eligibility is up to 1 crore, then the advantage of having the full 1 crore as a base cover is that irrespective of what the nature of death might be, whether it is by natural causes, illness or accident, you would get the 1 crore, or your nominees would get the 1 crore. Whereas in a plan that you have mentioned, the option that you have mentioned from iCare, which is 50 lakhs plus accidental cover of 50 lakhs, the supplementary cover of 50 lakhs is payable only in the event of death via an accident. And any other cause of death would mean that this additional cover is not available, and you would only get the 50 lakhs. So decide on what your base requirements are, and I would suggest that a base plan, if you are eligible for it, offering the full 1 crore is always better than having a 50 lakh plus 50 lakh cover. Number one. Number two, you should look at some of the other options also available to you. Essentially the Aviva iLife or the Aegon Religare iTerm are also good options, and you should consider them.
And finally, Unmesh has written in from Pune. He has an LIC Jeevan Saral policy. He's paid an annual premium of 72,000 rupees for a sum assured of 15 lakh for 30 years. He wants to know if he's made the right choice because he's heard so many negative things about this plan after he bought it. Is there anything he can do now?
Unmesh, the LIC Jeevan Saral policy that you've taken is essentially a traditional endowment plan. You should certainly consider continuing it in case your need is ready to build up a long-term saving corpus. The thing with this policy is it's a traditional plan. It is not eligible for surrender before 3 years. So even if you were to surrender it today, you would not receive any money at all. After 3 years, if you would choose to surrender it, remember that in a traditional plan like this, the guaranteed surrender value is only 30% of all the premiums that you have paid, excluding the first year. and post that, you could have a higher value, but that depends on the company. So in case you decide ever during the term of the policy to surrender it, take the surrender value from the company. The important thing also is that if you do surrender this policy at any time, you would lose the guaranteed benefits that are accrued with the policy. So I think perhaps it is better for you to just continue with the policy through to maturity, or to decide based on whatever surrender value the company illustrates to you. What you should do is you should look at having a proper cover via a term plan for yourself, so that your protection needs are met with. And for that, again, I would suggest look for the online term plans because they tend to be cheaper.